Race number 9, top of the stretch. Real Simple, Sock It To 'Em, McNamara, Putnam Storm, Elm Grove Joker, J.K. Rocketman, Cam Cool, and Wisty's Pride. They're off and pacing. Real Simple away from the rail quickly to grab the early lead. On the outside, that's Cam Cool. Down on the inside is Sock It To 'Em. They continue on into the turn. On by the opening eighth. Real Simple has the lead by 2.5. Second, that is Sock It To 'Em. Looking for a seat in 3 is Cam Cool. Down on the inside, away in the 4 spot is McNamara. Then back there in 5 for Putnam Storm. Gapped out in 6 is Elm Grove Joker. And further on back in 7, that's J.K. Rocketman, and Wisty's Pride is the early trailer. They continue into the turn, heading on over to the 3/8 now. And out front, Real Simple still leads by 2.5. Sock It To 'Em sits the pocket. Out first over is McNamara in 3. Inside racing in 4, that's Cam Cool. Out second over from 5. As they move off the top turn is Putnam Storm. 28-3 was the quarter. They race on past the halfway point. Real Simple out there now by 3. Second is Sock It To 'Em. Uncovered on the outside, McNamara is pacing third at the rail. Hemmed in is Cam Cool in 4. Second over Putnam Storm from 5. Then back in 6, Elm Grove Joker. 7th as they race to the backside is J.K. Rocketman. And Wisty's Pride is sitting at the back. 57-3 was the half. They're on their way to 3/4. Real Simple out there by 3.5 with Sock It To 'Em still second. Inside third, that's Cam Cool. 3 high is Putnam Storm 4th. They race past the 3/4. Real Simple with the lead. 3 high. And closing that gap now, second is Putnam Storm. Outside third, Cam Cool down at the rail in 4 as they race on to the 7/8 is Sock It To 'Em. McNamara is now back there in 5. 3/4 in 1:27 off the turn. Less than an eighth to coming on the outside. Putnam Storm is sticking a neck in front as they move off the turn. Putnam Storm inside. Real Simple trying to fight back second, but it's Putnam Storm on the outside reaching up to win it. Finishing second is Real Simple, and third is Sock It To 'Em.